Welcome to our comparison of two powerful graphics cards, the GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 5070 Ti and the PNY GeForce RTX 5070. In this video, we will dive deep into their specifications, performance, and features to help you make an informed decision. Whether you're a hardcore gamer or a casual user, understanding the differences between these two cards will guide you in choosing the right one for your setup. Let's get started. The GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 5070 Ti boasts a substantial 16 GB of GDDR7 memory, which is ideal for high-resolution gaming and demanding applications. In contrast, the PNY GeForce RTX 5070 comes with 12 GB of GDDR6 memory. While both cards support high resolutions, the additional memory in the GIGABYTE card may provide better performance in memory-intensive scenarios, such as 4K gaming or heavy multitasking. This difference in memory capacity could be a deciding factor for gamers looking for future-proofing in their graphics card choice. When it comes to clock speeds, the GIGABYTE RTX 5070 Ti has a boost clock of 2,600 MHz, slightly edging out the PNY RTX 5070, which has a boost clock of 2,587 MHz. While the difference may seem minimal, every MHz counts in gaming performance. This additional clock speed in the GIGABYTE card can translate to better frame rates in certain scenarios, making it a more appealing option for competitive gamers who demand the highest performance. Cooling is crucial for maintaining performance during intense gaming sessions. The GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 5070 Ti features the WindForce cooling system, designed for efficient heat dissipation, ensuring optimal performance even under heavy loads. On the other hand, the PNY GeForce RTX 5070 utilizes a triple-fan cooling system, which also provides effective cooling. Both solutions are robust, but the choice may come down to personal preference regarding aesthetics and noise levels during operation. In conclusion, the GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 5070 Ti offers superior memory capacity and slightly higher clock speeds, making it a strong contender for those seeking peak performance. However, the PNY GeForce RTX 5070 presents a more budget-friendly option without sacrificing too much in terms of performance. Ultimately, your choice should depend on your specific needs and budget. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.